Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download and install MySQL properly. Let's get started. So go to your browser and write MySQL, click enter. The first link we have here the official website of MySQL, and we are going to click on MySQL community server. And here we have MySQL community server downloads. We have here many operating systems, and in my case I have Windows, so I click on Windows, and I'm going here to click on this link, downloads. Login or sign up, I don't need it, just start my download. I click here, and the download of MySQL started. So I'm doing cancel this because it's taking many time. I download it before. Here I open the folder. I have MySQL install community version 8.0.18.0 on 2020. So I double click on, maybe it's take time. So we have here, do you want to run this file? Yes, I click run, waiting while Windows configure MySQL install community. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I click yes. MySQL installer 1.4. So here we have many choices: developer, default, server only. On server only we have MySQL server, the client only, full, or custom. I will show developer because we are developing with many language, and I click here developer default. You have here MySQL server, MySQL shell, MySQL router, work bench, MySQL for Excel, MySQL for Visual Studio, MySQL connector for .NET, Java, C, C++, ODBC, and other. And I click here next. You have here, I don't install this before. This not Python 3.7 is not installed on my laptop, so I click next. It's not a problem. I click next. Because I don't need to install this Python connector. I click here execute installation. We have here MySQL server, MySQL workbench, 25 for Excel, for Visual Studio, for shell, for router, for ODBC, C++, G.NET, and documentation about MySQL and other things. Maybe progression here. You can see the progress. Okay, it's okay for MySQL server. Now here progress. You can show details for the installation here, all the details. You can hide it. It continue to install the file, install it for Excel, now for Visual Studio. So the installation is finished. So the connector of C++ don't install, this is not problem. The documentation also does not problem. I click next. So here we have MySQL ready to configure, ready to configure. I click next. So here standalone MySQL server, classic MySQL server application. I choose this one. This is more complicated, so I choose this. I click next. The tab of the server configuration tab. Here we have development computer, server computer, and dedicated computer. I click on development computer. That is the port, default port, and here we have memory and this one. I click next. And here use strong password encryption for authentication. So I click next. Here I'm choosing my password, my MySQL password. I choose one. Here I choose again. So I'm using another weak password. That is not a problem. So I'm continue. I can add users, maybe another users for my SQL server. I'm choosing another like name. Another Dave. Here we have the host on default also. DB admin, we have backup admin, DB designer, manager, monitor, and this I'm choosing DB by default and choose another password for this. Okay, I click next. Configure MySQL server for Windows. I start the MySQL server on system startup. Okay, standard system account. Okay, I click next and execute. Write configuration file, update Windows firewall rules, adjusting Windows services, initialize, start of the service, apply security settings, create user account, and update the startup menu. So now all are checked. I click finish. Next. And here finish. Next. And the root password. Check. Okay, success. Connection as success. I click next and execute. So everything is okay now. I click on install. I click yes, next, and finish. Here we have ProgrammingWithAicha MySQL shell, and we have MySQL installed. We can go in here and show. Here we have MySQL. We have all MySQL community installed, MySQL community notified shell, and it's okay. Workbench here too. The workbench, we can go here, editing, view, database, tools, script. So it's all for this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and link this video. Thank you. Bye.